Basically, it's a prayer where we thank God for the rains and ask for more rains and thank Him for the good harvest. And it is where the king will take the first bite of the fresh produce from the field.
I'm for a 20. That's a Maracachim, I'm fine as to. Who has a book in your own permanent? Hold the river. Hold the river. Highlang is she, Highlang Killer. Obanam Karam.
Sasa
At this stage, the king was preparing to unleash the powerful army of young boys. However, this was not to be until the Inqaba kaNqofula. Before the regiment was commissioned, His Royal Highness Prince Banzile displayed colorful gear skills.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's the fuck? Look at that. What's up? What's up? What's up?
His Majesty King Mswati III then officially commissioned the regiment. Whistling and shouts of Yepula marked the beginning of an exciting journey for the young unmarried boys. With favorable weather conditions on their side, nothing could stop them. They were given a true hero send-off as they left Ngabezweni. The same obtained with His Majesty as wild excitement was witnessed when he left. It is safe to state that those who did not grace today's events missed out on a rare opportunity to be in the same space with His Majesty for unlimited hours. The King led the sea of young boys and older regiments as they marched all the way to Mhlambeni. They will perform their special duty as commanded by His Majesty and then make their way back to Lutsitsini royal residence. His Majesty will officially receive them on Thursday morning. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I am Sandile Makhanya with Themba Mamba, Ngabezweni royal residence.
The Litingwala started 15 days ago, whereby it started by His Majesty and Her Majesty leading the regiment in song at Lutsitsini royal residence. It has now reached the Lusegwane stage, whereby His Majesty commands the Ingatsha to go and cut Lusegwane. After the umbutfo was ordered together before the King, His Majesty led the umbutfo in dancing umgubho. Ingabakanyofula was sung as the Ingatsha was being sent by His Majesty to go get the best Lusegwane. Then Indvuna Vacu Magongo took orders from the king as to where the Ingaja is going to cut Lusegwane. The Ingaja then left Engabezweni in song and started their journey in a jovial mood. The Ingaja is expected to bring back Lusegwane the following day at Umbutfo Rural Residence. Polile Mazia reporting for Swazi TV News at Engabezweni Rural Residence. Just before the Ingaja was commissioned, the Majaha also showed their joy through kukia.
What's up? What's up? What's the boy? Hugelan. A champagne. A scanner. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Shoot!
The Ingaja attended this event in large numbers. Polile Mazia reporting for Swazi TV News at Engabezweni Rural Residence.
The Little Ingwala ceremony entered its second day. His Majesty King Mswati III and Her Majesty the Queen Mother were joined by hundreds of regiments in song and in dance.
The Inkwala ceremony continues to gain momentum since it started 8 days ago. His Majesty King Mswati III danced at Umbutfo Royal Residence for a few days. The king then proceeded to Engabezweni Royal Residence, where emakhosikati, princes and princesses, and regiments were in full support. A deep sense of victory and celebration engulfed Engabezweni Royal Residence when the thousands of boys arrived after they were commissioned by the king on Monday at Buhleni Royal Residence. Making it to Ngabezweni was a mission they accomplished with ease, as these are young men who are being molded into strong men who will move the traditions of the country forward. They were given a hero's welcome when they arrived at Ngabezweni to meet with their counterparts from all across the kingdom. His Majesty King Mswati III is now expected to commission the regiment anytime this week. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I am Sandile Makanya and Zweli Masugu, Ngabezweni Royal Residence.
Garden party, we are party. Garden party, we are party. Garden party, we are party. How season? Ela, how season? This one is mswati. Awusizwe yena asibona sinyoni I say like this I say like this